Hi, I'm Kelly from Collage-Lab, and I want to welcome you to a new monthly roundup of collage and related events happening virtually and in person around the globe. Welcome to What's Gluing On. If you have an event to share, please submit the details at explore.collagelab.com. The links for these events are all listed in the description below. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future updates. And if you have events that you want to share, please submit them. I'd really appreciate that. So here are the events for March 2026. Over at Collage-Lab, we are 2 months into a brand new year-long class called AMUSE BOUCHE. There is still time for you to join us. You'll get immediate access to the existing lessons and a new project every week for the rest of the year. I've just added a payment plan so you can get started for just $50. Do check it out. World Collage Day is coming May 9th, and this will be the 6th year that Collage-Lab has held an international call for collage art. Selected images from this call will be published in an upcoming book. So check out previous World Collage Day publications and get all of this year's details. And the link is in the description. I also host an informal office hours live on Zoom the third Friday of every month, and I would love for you to join me there. Here are some other events happening around the world in March. Chicago Collage Community is hosting Collage and Collage, Artist Meetup Lecture and Creative Session on March 7th. The Rochester Community Collage Group has an exhibit opening on March 5th. Pacific Northwest Collage Collective will host its March meetup on March 21st at Albina Library in Portland, Oregon. The Atlanta Collage Collective has a collage meetup at Freeside, Atlanta on March 7th. There are a couple of missions that are currently open for the Special Agent Collage Collective. Mission 28 and Mission 29 are currently open. One of my favorite collage teachers is teaching an in-person workshop in Naperville, Illinois. Laura Aline Svenkner is teaching Friday Fusion Collage starting in March over in Naperville, Illinois. The Toronto Collage Collective has an open call. The deadline is April 15th. Kubi Collage Collective has a call for artists for World Collage Day in Belgium. The deadline is April 19th. The Northwest Collage Society has an open call, deadline of March 22nd. The call is called Of a Topographical Nature. Collage and Connect has 2 collaborative challenges going on right now that you should check out. And Masterboard Madness 2026 starts today, March 1st, runs through the end of the month on YouTube. 31 days of masterboard inspiration. The Prairie Collage Collective, the prompt for the month is portrait. And there's a 6-day creative retreat coming up in Portugal with artist Naomi Vona. Check out the details at the link below in the description. Ongoing events, the Paris Collage Collective's weekly creative challenge. Polaroid's Collage Club also has a weekly creative challenge. Check out the Collage Exchange International group on Facebook for monthly collage materials swap. That's run by Lois Peterson. And do check out the monthly International Collaged Playing Card Exchange, which has been run by Llewellyn Joy Miller Guerra for many, many years. Thank you so much for watching, and do let me know if you are interested in this being a continuing monthly video for you. I need people to submit events, so there's a link in the description if you've got events to submit for April. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next month.